Jonathan's been looking forward to coming through some horse pastures. We're coming up with one now. We're hiking along. We met a fellow named Freight Train who's hiking along the trail with us. We're kind of walking along, chatting, and having a really good time through here. Go ahead, Jonathan. Don't put those metal poles on the electric fence. They're actually a carbon, but oh, it's fun to have them. Whew. And the horses say hello. Foxtrot, John, Bill, I can't remember all the names. A bunch of Army guys are up ahead of us, but we haven't caught up to them today. A lot of local folks are out hiking with their dogs, and it's a beautiful day. It's probably reached 60 or 70 degrees out.